I'm excited. I finished the biggest project I ever worked on, which started with this weird conceptual design drawing. Based on that, I came up with a full laid out plan for a 16-foot long bench for my synagogue. Not just any bench though, it's special, and you have to watch this video to see what's so unique about it. It took 10 sheets of plywood and a whole lot of solid walnut. Let me show you what I made and how I made it. Between the design, planning, acquiring materials, and the actual build, I estimate that well over 500 hours were spent on this.
Wow.
Which,
Yeah!
I'm tired. For those that appreciate numbers, here's some input. The bench weighs approximately 600 pounds, and there are about 200 linear feet of black painted lines. If the wood for this was all laid out flat, it would cover about 275 square feet. About a dozen custom precision jigs were created to aid in the construction. Approximately 300 screws, 750 nails, and over a half gallon of glue that was used to hold it all together. And almost 400 decorative screws were used to secure all the cubbies in place.
Drum roll.
Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing the largest project ever made in my life. There are about, I think it was 85 cubbies that were in the back, filled with about 100 scrolls that people had filled in all sorts of well wishes and thoughts, covered with those acrylic plates with beautiful inscriptions. There's even a bit of a time capsule behind where it says 40th anniversary. We had put in words from the clergy and myself, and one day someone may be surprised if they open up and find that in there. There was a giant celebration, as you saw, for the unveiling. There were dozens and dozens of people there, live music, and it was a really exciting time for everybody. I do want to say that there is a sponsor for this video also associated with the music. The music you heard throughout this build in the video all came from a service I use called Audio, A-U-D-I-I-O. The music's a little different, you may have noticed. You probably have never heard any of it before because these are all originals. Audio provides music licensing. I can use this music in anything that I use and distribute it any way that I want without any concerns of any sort of license, copyright issues, or anything else. They have thousands of pieces of music that I'm able to search on based on tempo, instruments, style, cinematic features, mood. Never seen anything like it before. I've been using their service now for a couple of years, and I think my videos have been enhanced because of it. I do have a link for all of you makers out there that may be interested in licensing this music. If you use the link that I have in the description, you can save 70% off of the cost of the initial year subscription. So I do recommend you check it out. Go to the site, see what kind of music they have, and don't forget to use my link. You'll save a ton. Well, thanks again for watching. Really glad you enjoyed it. Can't wait to see what my next big project's going to be.